Oh shoot, the GoPro. Yo, Robert, you're on the phone right now for the vlog.
Oh, bad.
Yeah. I didn't even mean to start the video yet, but this isn't gonna go in. Sorry.
Do you need me to go?
No, I mean, I don't really care. I can start whenever.
No, I just pulled home, so.
Alright. Well, hey, he helped me do the lift kit.
Shit.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye. What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing a 6-month, I think 6-month, maybe 7th month of this 3-inch lift kit, leveling kit that I got. I put it on in July and done a couple other things. So there's nothing been wrong with it. I mean, the control arms are really close now, but that is expected. And the back still has just stock suspension back here. Nothing done to it except for the blocks. And yeah, and then some updates I've done. I've made this chrome around. I like that a lot better. I think it just makes it look 100% better. Silverado, I need to repaint that. I need to really just redo a lot of this stuff. So I have this bumper back here. I have all this crust, and so went to the store, got some paint, supposedly supposed to match. That's not even close to matching, and the paint peeled again. So I'm gonna have to wrap these bumpers. I think that's what I'm gonna plan to do if I don't get a steel one, maybe in a couple years. And decided to go with to take the black off of the Silverado. I think it kind of pops out better, makes it look all better in general. And also got the light bar on here. Really cheap, really easy to install, I'd say, except it left me with a dead battery because of the wiring. I've gone through 2 sets of wiring. The first one melted. I'll show you how I did it, because the first one melted and it broke my thing, so I had to get a new wiring set up. So you don't want to run it through the firewall. I've got it. It comes in right here through the grill up in this connection. Then I ran it down. It's connected into the battery right here. All that. I ran it down. I got everything zip tied in. It kind of looks terrible, but ran it into this fender to the door. Ran it up under here. It's all the way under here. And then I ran it into my cigarette lighter because I broke it. So it's not in use anymore. So I might as well do something with it. I found that I need to replace my sway bar and links. Let me find my sway bar real quick. Where is it? Oh, it's over here on the other side. So the sway bar and links are completely busted out. They need to be redone. And that's the whole thing. When I go off-roading, it rattles, and I thought it was the control arms for the longest time, but I figured out it's just the sway bars. So all the bushing's gone. I'm gonna get a whole new thing. I'll probably make a video on that. Then some other things I'm probably gonna do eventually. I think I'm gonna color match this part of the bumper, get a matte black grill, and I want new headlights. Those are just, I don't know how I feel, because they kind of are crusty, but at the same time it's not that bad. Maybe in a little bit we'll get some mud terrains. I want to see if I can fit 35s on here. That'd be really sick if I could fit 35s on a 3-inch leveling kit. And I don't have my toolbox on right now. I just took that off. But interior wise, I mean, I got newish speakers. The interior's it needs a detail. This needs to be fixed. I'm gonna go, oh, this needs to be fixed. We know where to get it fixed. It's just not fixed yet. Some scratches back here, and as well on the passenger side. I want to get one of those, just a touchscreen radio, but I don't want the button. I want the knob for the volume, and because it looks a lot better. It's a lot easier to use. But like it definitely got some ground clearance, a lot more ground clearance than it had before. And we take it down to the hunting property actually a lot. And so seeing that, because there were some hills that it can get up but not as easily, and now it's able to get up them a little bit easier because of the ground clearance. And I mean, that's just the leveling kit itself. I don't even have tires. I mean, I'm on whatever Michelin tires. Guys, we're back at the house. Wasn't even far, it was next door because there's an empty lot. And I just want to say, this is a perfect leveling kit. There's nothing wrong with it. It's easy to install. I know I didn't really show an installation video, but it took like 2 days, 1 day to do each side. We weren't working all day. And then 1 day I could do it by myself on the rear. And then maybe a couple more days, and then I got the alignment. It's the best leveling kit for how much money you're getting it for. I'm just going to tell you right now, because all these people, they want you to get all the suspension and all this stuff. This is just a basic spacer lift. And for this look, I mean, it's worth all $120. And then a $70 alignment. $200 for that look is not a bad deal. And then, okay, there's also going to be a somewhat soon, maybe in a month, maybe in a week, maybe in 2 weeks, we are going to put another 3-inch leveling kit, but it's going to be for a Colorado, just a little 2-door Colorado, not a Silverado, for my cousin. He got it for Christmas, and then we weren't able to do it for some reason, and now we're just going to figure out when to do it. But I'm going to try to do a full video on how to put that in, because I just don't see any on YouTube, and I feel like there needs to be one. So that's going to be there, and then we'll probably, you know, I'll let you know. We'll get some videos. I'm going to throw in some clips of just, you know, the truck riding around, and so yeah. Peace. If anyone knows how to fix this little service tire monitoring system without actually getting it fixed, let me know. I've disconnected the battery and put it back in, and it went away, but then it came right back up. So if anyone has a fix to this, comment down below.